Introduce highlight features or overview summary of AZN computer desk. There are features include 20-minute quick assembly and care. Everything you need is in the box, including clear, step-by-step instructions and all necessary tools. Most users can complete the assembly in approximately 20 minutes thanks to our streamlined bolt and lock system. Each package is reinforced to prevent shipping damage to the MDF board. While this product is not intended for outdoor use, it offers exceptional durability for indoor environments. We provide professional support for any assembly questions, ensuring you can transition from unboxing to working in no time. Ultra-stable U-shaped reinforced frame, tired of wobbly desks that shake during intense typing or gaming. Our computer desk features a unique U-shaped heavy-duty silhouette crafted from 0.7 mm thickened high-strength steel. This architectural design, combined with a multi-purpose support bar that doubles as a stabilizer beam, ensures a rock-solid, wobble-free experience. Unlike competitors with thin frames, our structure is engineered to remain steady under a full dual-monitor setup, providing the ultimate reliability for remote workers and professional gamers alike. Wider lip for clamp-on accessories. We have optimized our desktop edge based on extensive gap analysis of leading competitors. Unlike other desks that lack a sufficient lip for mounting, our design provides ample space for clamp-style monitor arms, microphone stands, and ring lights. This makes it the perfect hub for content creators and WFH professionals who need to customize their setup with multiple peripherals. The generous legroom underneath ensures comfort during long working hours, allowing you to stretch or fit most ergonomic office chairs comfortably. Smart storage and space-saving design. Designed specifically for small apartments, dorm rooms, and tight corners, this 29.5 inches high home office desk maximizes your vertical and horizontal space. It features an integrated underdesk storage shelf perfect for organizing books, folders, and office supplies, freeing up your main 20 inches deep workspace. The built-in cable grommet allows for seamless wire management, keeping your desk clutter-free. Whether you are a student in a studio or a professional in a home office, this desk provides the organized environment needed to boost productivity. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.